Hello and welcome to our page. This is a short tutorial that will show you how to book an appointment at Proactive Chiropractic from our website. We are all about quick results here, and one way we expedite the process is by giving you access to our online schedule. From Proactive Chiropractic's homepage, click Book an Appointment. A new window pops up, and from here, you have the opportunity to choose the appointment type that fits your criteria. Let's break it down for those that have been to our office and for those who haven't. Let's start with those of you we're excited to meet. You have two options. A complimentary consult, which is a chance for you and the doctor to discuss what's going on. Please write in the notes section if you prefer to do an in-person video consult or phone consult. Next, we have our 1-hour new patient appointment. This is for those of you who are ready to do a deep dive and discover what's going on and to start feeling better right away, but you've never visited our clinic before. That was easy enough. For those of you who are returning patients, we're excited to see you again. You have a few options as well. Standard visit means you're an active patient and you want to book a 20-minute session with the doc. Standard visit with an additional 20 minutes is for patients who need 40 minutes session total. Those are for active patients who may have a complex situation and need more time with the doc, or folks who deal with a commute and want to spend more time with the doc rather than 2 visits in the same week. Our review and update end of care plan is an appointment type for active patients who've completed their care plan. This appointment allows us to do another exam, evaluate your progress, check in on the goals you set at the beginning, and make sure we've achieved those. A ReExam with a new injury is booked if you're an existing patient here and have an injury we have not treated you for. You'd be with the doctor for 40 minutes, which allows us to diagnose the new injury and create a new plan for the treatment. Lastly, we have a ReExam of 1+ year. This gives you more time with the doctor. If it's been a year or longer since your last visit, we'll need to do another exam and catch up. This allows us to do that. Once you decide which appointment makes the most sense given your history, click that appointment type. For today's example, we'll choose a standard visit. The next page then gives you the option to filter the calendar based off of each doctor. If you don't have a preference, no preference is already selected for you. You can choose a specific date to book by typing in the date you'd like in the on or after text box. For today, I'm looking for an appointment after September 15th, 2020. From there, you can also pick a time of day if you have a preference under this dropdown. Today, I prefer an evening appointment. Date and times will automatically populate based off your preferences, as you can see here. Once you see an appointment slot that works for you, click that date. The next page asks for your basic info to create a calendar invite in our system. No need to log in or create an account unless you want to easily log into your account to see prior and upcoming appointments. I'll go ahead and enter in my contact information, email, and phone number. The next question asks how long you've been suffering from this issue. Give us a little bit of information about the problem you're dealing with. For today, the example is shoulder pains. And the last question is how you heard about us, whether that's Google, Yelp, or word of mouth. From here, you'll click Schedule Appointment, and boom, you've booked an appointment with Proactive Chiropractic. If you have any questions or would prefer to book an appointment over the phone, you can always call our office. Thanks so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, you should check out our YouTube channel and subscribe. Feel free to explore this channel as we are always posting new videos explaining different conditions and new home care options. Thanks again.